I believe that high-impact learning is the result of a deliberate, repeatable process. This is the 5-step framework I use to ensure every asset I build serves a clear business purpose. It starts with step 1, analyze. Before I ever open a design tool, I partner with stakeholders and SMEs to identify the actual performance gaps we need to close. By defining these desired outcomes early, I ensure we aren't just creating content, but solving specific user problems. From there, I move into design and development, where I translate those needs into storyboarded interactions and high-fidelity content. But the process doesn't end at implementation. For a scaling platform like Team Dynamics, Step 5, evaluation is critical. I use feedback and data to measure results and iterate, ensuring our knowledge base evolves as quickly as our product does. This structured approach is how I maintain quality and consistency, even when managing a high volume of complex technical projects. Once the analysis is complete, I move into the blueprinting phase. Aaron and I actually discussed this specific document during our last conversation, as it represents my contract with stakeholders. This is the design document for a workplace communication mini-course. As you can see in the lesson structure, I map every objective to a specific interaction, such as scenario blocks for practice and matching activities for knowledge checks. By planning the interaction and assessment columns alongside the content, I ensure the course is active rather than passive. In the design notes, I've specified Articulate Rise 360 as the LMS for this build to ensure a professional, approachable, and action-oriented tone. For the leadership team, this document provides a clear checkpoint. It ensures that before I spend time in the development phase, we are all aligned on the instructional strategy and the final branding, which prevents rework and keeps our projects on schedule. The result of that planning is the final high-fidelity experience. Here we move into the workplace communication skills course itself. My primary goal in the development phase is to respect the learner's time while ensuring they walk away with actionable skills. As we navigate into Lesson 1, you can see how I've prioritized a clean, intuitive interface. I leverage Rise 360 to create a responsive experience that feels modern and approachable. The core of my approach is active learning. Instead of passive text, I utilize interactive elements like this matching activity for the 5 elements of active listening. This forces the learner to engage with the material immediately. Moving further into the lesson, you'll see the practical application of the scenario blocks we saw in the design doc. I believe in giving learners a safe, simulated environment to practice decision-making. In this scenario, the learner must choose the most effective reflective response for a frustrated colleague. I use guided feedback here not just to tell the learner if they are right or wrong, but to explain why a particular communication choice strengthens or weakens a professional relationship. This directly supports the high-quality outcomes I strive for, moving beyond simple knowledge retention and toward real-world behavioral change. By the time the learner reaches the scenario complete screen, they haven't just read about communication, they've practiced it. This is the level of quality and practical execution I look forward to bringing to the training ecosystem at Team Dynamics. Ultimately, the goal of this process is to transform the team's expertise into a resource that grows with the company. By combining a clear design framework with interactive, high-fidelity execution, I'm able to create learning experiences that are both consistent and easy to measure. I don't just build content. I build tools that help users gain confidence in the platform quickly, which naturally reduces the manual support burden on your teams. I look forward to applying this same level of strategic focus at Team Dynamics, ensuring that our educational resources don't just provide information, but actually empower our clients to succeed independently.